Okay, so now we are looking at ester reactions. This is hydrolysis via aqueous base. Okay, so with our hydrolysis, again, we are using water to break apart a family into functional groups. So here we are going to be reacting it with a strong base. This does not exist at equilibrium. You can see I've got an arrow going in one direction. This does require water and heat for my reaction conditions. So essentially, this is going to cleave that bond, that ester bond. This is going to allow for that carbonyl to accept an OH from, basically to accept an OH. Now what will happen is that acid is going to ionize. So in this case, a hydrolysis via aqueous base is going to produce the base form of the acid, the ionized form of the acid. So that hydrogen is going to ionize and gets donated essentially to the alcohol. So our two products are going to be a carboxylate salt and your alcohol. So again, the way I remember this is that acid will form its basic form, its salt form.